December 19th, 2012. It's the kids' last day of school before winter break. Darcy has been doing the final countdown until winter break. And every day when the kids come home from school, they each get a present in this box. Let's see, each day what they've been getting. Some things from the dollar store, some Pez, calendars, big candy canes from Disneyland, things like that. And today is their final day of school. And today in the box, they're going to get something pretty cool. They're going to get these guys that we just picked up this morning. This is Sky and Storm. And they're going to be in the box when the kids get home. And they should freak out.
Hello. You're home.
I am home.
You're home.
Hey, come here. Do your box.
We're taking off the There was a half down at school today for 25 minutes.
No, was that scary?
Yeah, it was very scary.
Riley.
Sorry.
God,
Sorry that you had a
picture.
You guys are such posers. All right, open it, silly.
Oh my God! 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 What'd you get? Ooh, it's my. Oh my God!
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God!
Merry Christmas.
Hey! Oh, you bit me! Oh my God! Hi! I got a puppy! Hi!
Merry Christmas.
Mommy! Thank you!
You're welcome. Hurricane
Come
and
here.
tornado, you guys, when they get going.
Oh, get her out from under the tree.
Give her a second, Cody.
It's
Just
okay.
be calm.
It's okay. Yeah. Oh. You love my fingers? Do you love my fingers? Oh, they both love you.
Did you turn it off? Oh, you got it right there.
Oh.
She likes, yeah, right up here in her chest is where she likes.
Are they both girls?
They're both girls, yeah?
Oh. What? What do you want to play?
Are you just so excited? You got kids in your family.